Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. XLK AAPL Facebook tech sector here. Bulls bought the dip after a pullback today, and the tech sector was one of the weaker sectors, but not by the end of the day. And we did have bullish reaction to Apple earnings. We are up a couple percent at this point. It is 7 p.m. Eastern, and Apple is up about $4. So we'll see if those gains can hold overnight. Certainly holding up at this point, but all that matters is where we're at when the bell rings. But as of right now, obviously, we're not going to see a sell-off at this point. So the bulls are holding strong, and we are looking pretty strong for a bull flag here. If this bullish reaction to Apple, and actually checking into what XLK is after hours, and right now XLK is sitting at slightly higher. So we are going to see some strength tomorrow. The all-time high, or the 52-week high, up at 63.33. And right now we are at 63.32 ask and after hours. It's a pretty wide bid and ask spread, but certainly going to be within striking distance is the point. So the bulls are very strong. We're going to be looking for a break of 63.33 for continuation to have us looking at 63.50. The weekly time frame is trying to close strong. Again, note that we've closed at the high of the week 5 weeks in a row. So the bulls want to see a nice green day to see that again tomorrow with a lack of an upper wick of profit taking. And the way we are trading right now, it looks to be that more likely scenario. So Apple looking for all-time highs tomorrow, and open above 169.94 will give that all-time high. We'll have to look at the after hours reaction, because there is a resistance point where we pulled back from the 174s, and then we built a base level of support, and now we're trading within that range. So definitely some information in the after hours trading action to find support and resistances to look at as we're heading into the open tomorrow. And the weekly time frame is going to likely close above this upper Bollinger Band into breakout mode with new all-time highs. Facebook pulled back after its reaction to earnings, and we had a higher low at 177.34. If we break that level, we're going to continue consolidating. Again, we didn't establish a ton of support on the way up. We just shot up 4 days in a row. So now we're pulling back on some pretty high volume, and we're under the upper Bollinger Band. You can see we went from being above the upper Bollinger Band to under it, rejecting from it, and the consolidation starting. So tomorrow, if 177.34 can hold, the bulls will have that new higher low on the daily to be watching into next week. And if it can't hold, then we need to be patient and wait for a new higher low on the daily time frame to form, which will be indicated when the hourly chart regains the 20-period moving average, which is resistance. So weekly time frame is a bearish reversal candlestick for Facebook, and even if we see a little bit of green tomorrow, it still will be a reversal spinning top. So we'd have to see a pretty strong recovery and a pretty strong correlation to Apple. And just after hours right now, I'm looking at Facebook and seeing that we are seeing slight upside, but not really much at all. So I wouldn't be anticipating a strong open just because Apple bulls are seeing some strength. So healthy consolidation, considering it wasn't, a stellar reaction to earnings, bulls are holding up absolutely fine. This is the fourth highest close we've ever seen in Facebook history. So there's no red flags in the longer term trend. It's just healthy consolidation. So we'll see you over the weekend, and I appreciate you tuning in.